Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing data types and specifics, and this is part of the series on becoming a data engineer. Data types can differ. Let's get into them. Oracle, they have different data types like character data types, char, inchar, varchar2, which is like a variable, varchar is older one, and varchar2 is like numeric varchar, uh, clause, character long objects, and then n longs and longs. Then you have a numeric or number data type, date data type, binary data types like blobs, these files, raw files, long raws. So all of these can be different data types. Let's get into them. MySQL. MySQL supports SQL data types in several categories. Numeric data types, again, date and time types, string, which is, like I said, for Oracle, they have these varchars and chars, and they have these different variations in MySQL. Spatial types, this data types, so more modern data types are supported. And we have a database called NoSQL. I've discussed that with you. It's big data. Now, these databases are different from the regular SQL databases. They use a data model that is having a different structure. The traditional data types are stored in a row and column table, which is typically what we call the RDBMS. And again, I've touched on all of these in my previous videos. Feel free to check them out. But today I'm just talking about data types in general. So, and here now we're touching upon the NoSQL systems and how they are different from the regular SQL databases. So NoSQL databases were developed, as a response to the inability of SQL, the regular RDBMS databases to address the needs of, these web scale applications that handle huge amounts of data and traffic. So take an example. If you are Google, right, biggest in the industry in search, imagine the volume, right? It's a global application. Every one of us individuals, just in US, we have hundreds of millions of people. Globally, there must be billions who use Google, and every one of us uses Google every day, every hour, every few minutes to find things, right? Whatever it is, you're doing entertainment or you're doing work, whatever, personal use, professional use. Imagine the traffic, right? Millions of people making searches continuously all day long. That kind of data cannot be supported by RDBMS systems. They just need to be saved on NoSQL databases. So let's get in further. So what are the main types of NoSQL databases? A document database, a key value store, a column-oriented database, and then a graph database. So, different types, probably uh, make some videos on these individual types of databases at some point, but today I'll just kind of high level talk about it. So, key value is, example is Redis, document database, or is like a MongoDB example. Column based is more like Cassandra or HBase. And then there's a graph, database. So these were the types of, NoSQL databases. And general, I touched upon data types in Oracle, MySQL. So just giving you a little feeler into how databases are organized and what kind of data stores are available today in the market. So with that, thank you for joining my channel and listening today. I look forward to you joining me in a future video. Thank you.